For first responders in the Wood River Valley, it is all hands on deck right now.
We've had a number of them that have either, come down sick or been quarantined or, had to, isolate because of family members. So it's been a kind of a process to just juggle the staffing. Almost all we're doing is taking care of potentially sick people.
With limited staffing, Ketchum Fire Chief Bill McLaughlin has had to train volunteer ambulance drivers.
So it was better for us to try to get some people in who would not be in the back of the ambulance at all, but would just drive for us and take care of that side of things. And that just took one thing off our plate, so we could focus more on providing good care to the people of our community. There's just been a lot of people around the community that have, found other ways to kind of help out and take the load off of the first responders. All of the ski patrollers from the Sun Valley Resort who, are not up working there, basically pulled together to become our backcountry rescue team in case we have a call for that. That really took a lot of weight off of our shoulders.
Ketchum's also had to borrow ambulances to keep up with the demand.
We had one ambulance that we pulled over from Cary, and we also have a private ambulance from Ada County that is down here on more or less permanent loan. They've been helping out on a daily basis, especially with those transports. We're also having to help move patients out of the Wood River Hospital to other hospitals, so that each time we do that, that's the better part of a day for our crew to get them loaded up, moved, get back, decontaminate the ambulance, and get back in service. So it's been very time consuming.
So tell me, Chief, why are you having to do that? Move patients out of the hospital?
Well, the hospital up here has very limited capacity for critical patients, and because of the staffing, so many of their staff were out quarantined or sick. They had to shut down some of the routine functions of the hospital. So pretty much any patient that might take a turn for the worse has to get moved to somewhere where they have an operating ICU.
All hands on deck with a community that's got their backs.
What does that mean to you, a first responder, and to your men and women?
Oh, it's great. It's great.
So how much of a hotspot is Blaine County? Well, right now, we're just getting updated numbers into the newsroom. Of the 673 total COVID-19 cases confirmed in the state of Idaho, 256 are in Blaine County. The Wood River Valley loving their first responders so much, though. At 8 p.m. each night, residents there are stepping outside and howling. Yes, howling. They're calling it howling for health care. Let's take a listen. And that video taken from atop a mountain, so you can imagine how loud it is down there in the valley, but you can hear it coming up the mountainside and over the entire Wood River Valley. It's pretty impressive.